Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on rose. Roses are one of the most beloved flowers in the world. They come in various colors including red, pink, yellow and white. Roses are known for their beautiful and fragrant petals. They have been cultivated for thousands of years for their aesthetic and symbolic value. Red roses are often associated with love and passion. Pink roses symbolize admiration and gratitude. Yellow roses represent friendship and joy. White roses are a symbol of purity and innocence. Roses are commonly used in floral arrangements and bouquets. The rose is also the national flower of the United States. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.